Hello, we are now going to look at the color wheel, and this is the color wheel. You also have it in the assignment page. So you see the colors, you have the tubes, or you may have the sticks, which you would require water. Red, yellow, and blue are primary colors. They cannot be made, but rather you combine the three mixtures to make the other colors. So remember, red, yellow, and blue. The one thing I also want to note is red. There's many shades of red. There's two shades of red that distinguish it. And one of them is a rubine, which is on the pink tone, as we see there. Or you have the bright red, which is in an orange tone. It does change the color of the mixtures. So if you mix a rubine red and blue, it will make a beautiful shade of violet. Okay? So see here, the person is painting the primary yellow, and now she's going to mix it with the, she's putting all the primary colors first. In your case, in your image, you're going to have tint. So you're going to first put the primary color, then you're going to put the tint, and when you add the tint, you're just going to add water to your color mixture to make it lighter. Okay, so right now they're still adding the blue shades, going on to the next. Okay, so after the blue, now we're going to go into the secondary color, and that's taking one primary and one other primary. So two primaries create the secondary, and here we have orange. Two primaries make a secondary. Okay, the next one is, and they're painting orange. One yellow and one blue, that's two primaries again, make a secondary, which is green. Green is the secondary color. Okay, and we have that. And the last one that you're going to mix is red and one blue, so two primaries again, and it makes a violet. The one thing I want you to see is that as I said, if you would have used a bright red, it would make an orange. It looks more like a harsh blue violet. The rubine tends to be a better choice when you want to make violets. Okay, now we're going to look at, these are called tertiary colors, and they are other tones you may want to add to the colors. So yellow and orange makes the tertiary, and this is when you mix one primary and one secondary. One primary and one secondary. Yellow is the primary, orange is the secondary. Okay, and now we have again, red is the primary and orange is the secondary, and you see how the colors changed and so on. So you have yellow and you have green, which is the secondary. So you're going to see a lighter shade of green. Okay? And these again are called tertiary. One primary, one secondary. The next thing you want to do is look at the final part. So these are all the colors. Okay, once you're finished, you should have your color wheel. I want you to see the assignment page. So when we go to the assignment, and we're going to look at the color wheel as well as the fish one. So for this one here, you're going to add in the tint color water to your color. So when you make violet or when you make the red, add a bit of water to the color. It will make it lighter. Then for the shade part, you're going to use red again, but you're going to add a little bit of black and it'll make it darker. Okay? So then you should have the primary color, the light colors, and the dark colors. Those are the different shades. Here's where you could list it. You need to list it. And then it brings you to these ones. And this is the fish. Dark blue. How do you make, for all the ones in this picture, how do you make a dark blue? You could either add black, You could either add a blue, a bit of red, a little bit of black together. The one color that you do not see here is brown. Okay, if you notice brown, brown is usually made with the three primary colors, red, orange, and blue. Or you could even try the three secondary colors, orange, green, and violet. Okay, they all make brown. And that's it. And then we're going to also look at complementary colors. So that's another one. So when you go back to paint, so you will be paint your manga body. Let's see here. So you're going to add color there. I haven't seen any videos just yet, but you want to learn about how to paint it. So this looks like it's an interesting one.
Hello and welcome to my...
He uses a digital, but anyway, this looks like it's good to learn mechanically how to draw. Now, where do you add the color to this? Let's see. So he's at this stage of the proportion. Oh, it isn't even the color. Okay, that's it. So that's all we're gonna do.